I'm back again and I want to tell you about the brand new NUXE Huile Prodigieuse, I don't know how to pronounce it. Basically come out with their classic oil but with a floral twist for the fragrance. It's gorgeous. I love, love, love the classic anyway. It smells like summer holidays in a bottle. Like, it's floral and sunshiny and coconutty and orange blossomy. It's absolutely stunning. And now they've created more of a floral one, so it smells like summer holidays and flowers, which is incredible. Oh, I love it. Like, you know when you're like, since I got it, I've just been like smelling myself. If you've never tried it before, it's suitable to use on your hair, your face and your body. I have used it on all three things and it honestly works just as well on your face as it does in your hair, and it just works as well on your hair and your face as it does on your body. Like, it's incredible for everywhere and it smells beautiful. Like, you could actually wear this instead of perfume. It just kind of seeps into your skin and makes you smell, I don't know, delicious. It's gorgeous and it's pretty much completely natural. It's like 96% natural because it contains things like almond oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, other good oils, and it's all basically super natural, super delicious smelling and super hydrating and nourishing and wonderful for your skin. The other night I went to a beautiful dinner in West London for it. I'm gonna insert some clips at the end of this so that you can see how magical it was, but it was so much fun and it's such a beautiful product. And even though it took me like 3 hours or maybe 4 hours to get home from it, it was totally worth it. I'm gonna do a video soon about their perfume too, because NUXE have this incredible perfume which smells like the oil, not this one, the classic oil, and not enough people talk about it, so I'm gonna do a video on that too. But yes, I just wanted to let you know that the new floral edition of their classic oil, which I can't pronounce, is out now, and I just wanted to show you as well some of the footage that I took at the event because it was truly the most beautiful thing ever. It was at Petersham Nurseries in Richmond. It was gorgeous. Thank you for having me. And also, if you have not tried this product before, please do, because it's just one of the most wonderful beauty products you'll ever try. I use it on the end of my hair, I use it on my face, and I use it on my body. And I have tried the shimmer one, I've tried the classic one, and now the floral one too, and I love them all equally. It's one of those iconic products that you're just like, it's iconic for such a good reason, because it's perfect and it smells like summer holidays. Can't say enough good things about it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the clips. Thank you very much and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye, bye.
When you're leaving,